Dinamo Bosnės.
Was brought up in the hood, man. You ain't from the hood, well, this is how the hood play. You don't know the hood, never been around the hood. But you heard it, you do good things. So drugs, take this little us, first and last name is for us.
Amerikietis pelno taškus suradęs
Should they probably ring it on
dar vienas nuostabus perdavimas Jonui Valančiūnui. Lengvi Artūro Jomanto taškai. Du taškai ir pražanga. Kevičius. 3 taškai. Ir jaunasis Lietuvos Ryto klubo aukštaūgis Kala. Tolimam metimui Stepas vis dėlto meta iš toli ir kamuolys įkrinta į krepšį. Gecevičius labai staigiai išmeta kamuolį. Du Khalido El Amino taškai.
Bastard, brought up on the hood streets, it's scorching, it's 100 degrees. I'm thinking, why free? Do it have to be like this? Mama said I'm priceless, so I am a worthless, starving, and just for being nice, kid. I am a 3-wing straight being rice kid. Probably about the Chinese stories, they ain't giving shit to me. Cops burn me, then I might do a nice bid. At least they gon' give me 3 hots in the couch, free somewhere to eat. Whips and cars and Jesus, and middle class houses looking like movie stars to me. And these jobs is retarded to me. They screaming, do more work. I'm screaming, bring more dollars. And they wonder why we always concentrate on violence. It's more easy to rob them and leave a DOA.
Ir vėl rezultatyvi ataka. Jelica pro Lavrinovičių ir metimo skonį Martynas Gecevičius. 3 taškai sudaro Milko Bielica. Įsibėgėja Bredas Niulį. Vairamovičius ryškėsi tolimam metimui 1 prieš 1. Mato Milko Bielica atsako 2 taškais. Kevičius pamato laisvą Milko Bielica. 2 Bredo Niulį taškai. Komandos draugai sveikina Kenaną Vairamovičių. Viskas Cibonos krepšininkai sveikina Lietuvos Ryto žaidėjus su pergale. Pasveikinkime ir mes, būdami puikios nuotaikos.